Welcome guys to the Pune Founder House. Welcome to Pune Founder House. It is currently 4:15 a.m. I think everyone's awake right now and they don't know we're recording this video. So we're literally going to go up and I want to give you the most candid insight into what the Pune Founder House looks like. If you don't know what we do, we're Atomic Growth. We help tech companies and venture capital funds with podcasting as well as AI videos and clipping. So let's go and see what the team is up to.
What was your best part in the last?
I think a lot of good work ethic got built. I never thought I could work without sleep for so many days, but that happened. I was always a bit unsure about how this will go with college, but now I'm not because who needs to sleep? People can function without it, and if I have to sleep, then classes are there. So I'll make productive use of my college.
Except work ethic, what was the thing that you felt that you were missing?
Bro, the passion, the community, the drive, it shapes you. It's like hitting a iron with a hammer.
What was the routine that you followed?
The routine was get shit done and then go to sleep. That's it. That's the principle. Now, if that get shit done finishes at 10 a.m. in the morning and you've worked all night, then 10 a.m. is when you go to sleep. Today, sorry, there's no concept here. Today it finished at what, 12:30, 12ish. So that is when we went to sleep. Woke up at 5, 6, got back on the grind. That's how it goes. That's Atomic.
You know what you mean? Sayam ordered this, bro.
Oh God, bro.
Crazy.
Good sides, bro. I can't be caught again. For context, for the people that don't understand, we eat protein. We don't eat carbs. And look at that. Idiot.
But look at this.
Magnum
Buy a brand
pistachio.
for men, bullying works. पतला नहीं हो ना
ठीक है भाई.
today push easy come on okay drop set easy come on bro this is all you let's go
अरे भाई
पांच और come on easy
ना दिस इज नॉट गुड पांच
Four.
और हमेशा बोलना रहेगा भाई कर ले
4 come on self
अरे हाँ भाई होता हूँ भाई. खा लूँ अभी.
paneer
अरे खा लूँ.
tofu
हाँ भाई.
soy chunks
भाई खा रहा हूँ भाई.
अंडे
12 किलो पनीर पड़ा है बैग में.
ये क्यों मंगाया
अरे वही खा रहा हूँ भाई रोज.
भाई कल गुलाब जामुन
बताओ. भाई नहीं भाई.
12 किलो गुलाब जामुन.
यहाँ कुछ नहीं है भाई.
बाय बाय.
Atomic Mustan Bhanda.
What are you working on?
talk about what you just did
We made a banger video for a huge defense tech company.
The U.S. faces dire pilot shortage crisis. Thousands of combat and commercial pilots missing amid aging fleets.
any words of wisdom
What?
words of wisdom
Speed?
क्या
If it was not edited.
I'm helping him out.
Last 2 weeks कैसे थे भाई?
Last 2 weeks have been crazy. I think I've been having the most sleep out of everyone. I've been sleeping for like 9 hours. But I've also been working, so yeah. It's been really fun. I've been hitting the gym. I'm getting big.
I think Kushal is actually like in these 2 weeks he's actually gotten big because like 4-5 people have told him, bro, looking big and
You were trying to sneak in and अकेले exercise लगा रहा था.
Bro, I'm done for today.
तो मुझे ये बताओ भाई आप कि इतनी बढ़िया जो टीम बनाई है, इतने सारे लोग हैं और सारे
सबके साथ में रह के काम करने में, एक साथ में रह के काम करना वर्सेस घर पर एक काम करना, what is the biggest thing that changes?
Bro, if I'm very honest, no, even when I am alone, ghar pe, I don't think I work as much. At least for me, when I have all my people around me, I feel like naturally I end up working more. Because there's more accountability in a way. Not even accountability, there's just momentum. Like shit is happening. Like you know that this person's doing that. You know, like right now I know Hanan's working on that bot. He's working right in front of me. So I'm like, that bot needs to be done. That fucking bot. I know the problem at hand. You know, we're trying to solve it as fast as possible. And like, you can see all the different departments working. You know what's going on. It's just nice, you know. Like I love remote work and all that. Like what is best is you should have the option to be remote, but you should also have the option to bring everyone together.
भाई अभी सजल भाई का भी लेना है. मेरे को याद है भाई पहली बार हम काम करने गए थे. कहाँ गए थे हम? वीवर्क. हाँ भाई तू 12 बजे सब पैक कर गया.
हाँ आई वाज थिंकिंग
भाई अभी जाके मैं बहुत सोने जा रहा हूँ.
सोते हैं भाई, हो गया बहुत. भाई मेरा पहला दिन इतना खराब गया क्योंकि
चलो इसको रहने देता हूँ, इसको झटका तो पड़ेगा बाद में. जा सो जा बच्चे.
भाई घर जाके मैं बिस्तर पे लेट गया क्योंकि भाई सोना था, नींद नहीं आ रही थी.
6:20 हो रहे हैं, नींद के आते पते नहीं है भाई, लेकिन जा रहे हैं हम लोग घूमने. चाय पी रहे थे मस्त एकदम. सुबह के मन में आई कि नहीं भाई घूम के आते हैं. मैंने कहा ठीक है भाई.
एक टाइम के बाद में नींद आना बंद हो गई पहले दिन पे ही. मैंने कहा नहीं भाई काम करना है, काम करना है.
कमेंट्स इमेजिन कर रहा हूं, बोलेंगे ये शो तो सब मरने वाले हैं. करते रहो तुम ये, देखेंगे 30 पे हार्ट अटैक आने वाला है.
जिम करते करते ही मर जाएंगे ये लोग.
बोल तो सही कि हम इतना वर्कआउट भी किए हैं पर फिर भी
थकान नहीं होती यार.
और लिफ्ट से ऊपर जा रहे हैं.
हाँ वो तेरे सबसे क्रेजी बात ये है, खा उतना ही रहे, नॉमिनल रहे लेकिन सही खा रहे हैं. नींद पूरी हो नहीं पा रही, मेहनत सब सेंस में ज्यादा कर रहे हैं, वेट लिफ्टिंग में हो, काम में हो और दिमाग की मेहनत भी. जब आई वाज स्लीपिंग 8 hours थिंकिंग आई एम बीइंग ऑप्टिमल बाय वर्किंग 10 hours एंड आई एम फीलिंग लाइक हाँ मैंने कर लिया. एंड व्हेन आई एम स्लीपिंग 4 to 5 hours भाई.
बट भाई बोल दे डिस्क्लेमर, वरना लोग हार्ट अटैक आएगा, तेरे ऊपर केस चढ़ जाएगा. बोल दे कि स्लीप 10 hours.
प्रॉपर 10 घंटा सो, 11 घंटा सो. जितना आप ज्यादा सोगे उतना ज्यादा हम पैसा कमाएंगे, क्योंकि जब आप सोगे तब हम पैसा कमा रहे होंगे.
How was celebrating your birthday with the boys? Felt like?
I wouldn't want to celebrate with anyone else but these boys.
Hi.
Yeah, bro, that was low. We have to include that in the B-roll.
This was not on bingo card, bro. This year.
My hiring philosophy at Atomic has always been my hiring philosophy for Atomic has always been
that
we need to
Independence Day properly. Why are you ruining mine?
You're celebrating Subha?
Bro, it's just like they said they're not working on it.
Then they went and fucked it up. Yeah. I know.
Like I fixed it in front of you yesterday.
So how did they mess it up if they're not working?
Yeah, that's them, bro. I don't understand them. It's fine. I'll fix it right now. Come. Let me show you what I do. Come.
Bro, this is on it.
Arey, aaja bhai. Come. Let me show you what I do.
Our unreleased website is going live. Unreleased website is going live to the public. I've emailed A16Z and all that, and our unreleased website is live with bugs.
Yeah, this is what I do, guys. This is what I do with my computer science degree here at Atomic.
You created and reposted Subha's tweet.
Yeah.
Man ki lund. Bro, that's actually fucking big.
With 8 likes on X, then 80,000 on Instagram.
Bro, the 80,000 is equal to like 800 followers.
That's what I'm fucking saying.
But wait, followers on Instagram and followers on X are two very different things.
Explain why.
Because look, Instagram followers can get us here. X followers can get us 80,000 MRR in like 2 seconds.
Extra 80,000 MRR.
Yeah.
You're already at it.
Yeah. X is money. Instagram is community, friends.
This is what they call high intent CPL. High intent. Fucking hell, bro.